Another beautiful day on the trail, and I thought I would release a little mini series for you and let you in on some of those crazy, wacky conversations that we have about mental health, philosophy, the way the world works, the way the mind works. So some of this will feature from the documentary where I walked 30 kilometers every day for 30 days. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this little mini series. I hope you're all well and happy hiking. So let's get philosophical again on these walks, and let's talk a little bit about identity. So as an adult, when we grow up, our thoughts, feelings, emotions, behaviors, our actions, our reactions, our beliefs, our values, how we act in particular scenarios and situations, everything we do is all predetermined by our paradigms. And you ask, oh, what's a paradigm? Well, from the ages of 0 to 7, that's when all those things are learnt, and they're all taught behaviours. Because as a child, we're only scared of two things: being dropped and really loud noises. So everything from then on is taught and learnt from our parents, or from the environment, or from social factors, and we carry those through our lives into our adulthood, and also our fears as well. And what happens is we end up sometimes just living in this endless cycle of misery, insecurity, fear, not having knowledge on certain things, or always living with the same knowledge. Now, if you really want to learn and progress and accomplish certain goals, or not feel awkward or anxious around certain people or things, the only way to change that is to understand what your paradigm is and really understand what you've been taught and what you truly believe. Take a moment to be what I would say the observer of your mind, and observe your thoughts and think, is that right? Is that wrong? Is this all just a make-believe story that I'm telling myself in my own head? And am I living with that? Well, that was the philosophical thought of the day. Oh, I love it. Paradigms.